Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Google Ads account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you change your keywords to a Google Ads phrase match? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to change your keywords over to phrase match anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business using Google Ads, you know that if you don't put your keywords into phrase match, you end up with a lot of other clicks and matches that don't really align with your goals. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Google Ads account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Google Ads, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to change a set of keywords over to phrase match, here on the left, you're going to click on campaigns. Once you've clicked on campaigns, you're going to choose the campaign you want to change the keywords over to. What you do, you're going to hover over campaigns, and you're going to click on this button here, audiences, keywords, and content. Once you click there, you want to click on keywords. Okay, you can see this is a campaign that I was running for a client years ago, and they used to have something called broad match modifier, which is not relevant right now with Google Ads. So if you want to go ahead and change these over to phrase match, what you're going to do is you're going to choose the keywords you want to switch over. You can choose them one by one, or if you want to choose all of them, just click on this button. Once you selected all the keywords you want to switch over to phrase match, you're going to click on edit. Once you click on edit, look for this line right here, change match type, and then you're going to click on change all match types. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see this little menu. Go ahead and open it up, and then you want to click on phrase match. Once you do that, go ahead and click on apply. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to change your keywords in Google Ads over to phrase match, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.